beauties, today is Christmas Eve. Merry Christmas to you all. We're getting ready to start our day.
And remember, you guys.
Oh no, I don't want to get the ring light.
I really love you guys. It's gonna turn into dough really fast. She's a very good cook. He just happened to be on Instagram. Oh, and follow me on Chloe's Closet. Make sure you
Chloe's_closet.
At Chloe's_closet. I take really good pictures just to let you guys know.
Go follow me on Instagram at DEE. Don't forget DEE. D._go.
Look at this YouTuber right here, and we'll have info coming soon about his YouTube channel. You want to tell him?
I haven't made no videos yet, but uploads will be coming.
All right. What's your YouTube channel name?
Dre Hardeman.
Just Dre Hardeman, no underscore, no dot, nothing? Okay. Dre Hardeman. And then she has a channel coming soon too.
My channel's gonna be Chloe.princess.
No. Your channel will be Chloe's Closet. Coming soon. Hey beauties, I'm back. We are on our way to go check out the Christmas lights. Just a little light beat for the occasion. Have on my red and green.
Well, it's a fair question. I was talking to Pete Carroll before the game.
We're out here in the River Oaks area in Houston, Texas. Hi family, say hello to say hello to the beauties. We're about to walk and look at some more lights. My baby's on crutches, but we still trying to enjoy. from just seeing the Christmas lights. Chloe, did you enjoy the lights?
Yes, I had so much fun. It was really fun.
Very, very nice. It was very, very cold.
My face was numb. Like my eyes were
And my
too.
hands were numb. So now it's gingerbread house making time.
Jingle bells, jingle all the way. Oh, what fun it is to ride in a one-horse open sleigh. Jingle bells, jingle all the way. Oh, what fun it is to ride in a one-horse jingle bells.
And we have a finished house. Now she has to decorate. But check it out. And we have another one in the making right here.
Chloe, I know you're not crying.
Come on, Chloe. Don't give up. Don't be a quitter.
She crying. Come on, come help her.
So now Kaylin is helping Chloe to build her house. And Dee is still working on his.
Chloe.
Don't do it hard. This is Chloe's gingerbread house. Finally got it up. Now she's about to decorate. Decorating mode. You ready to decorate? Here?
No.
His looks so neat. And here is the other gingerbread house.
And this is my gingerbread house right here.
Guys, these things are not
Easy at all.
easy. Stop, Chloe. It really takes time and patience.
And
But
you'll get
a
mad.
successful 2 out of 3. Good morning, everyone, and Merry Christmas!
Christmas to everybody that celebrates Christmas on Enhanced Beauty.
We are going to start with the first gift. This one is actually a celebratory type gift for our baby that made the Dean's List. Woo, 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 woo. Woo, woo, woo. Congratulations. Next up. Okay, I guess we can do this one here because it's a mini American Girl doll. Let me see. Turn it around. Couple shirts for your. You want to show it to us? Hey, baby. Again, what's the reason for the season?
Jesus.
That's right. Everyone knows who this one belongs to. I'm not dressed for the occasion. But let's see. Shut the front door! Well, we're all grateful. We're all thankful. We all know the reason for the season. We are truly blessed. Merry Christmas from Enhanced Beauty.